Welcome to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. In today's Byte of Tech, we will review how to edit a student photo in Focus and our recommendations for capturing that perfect shot. Webcams have been ordered for every school and will be addressed to your tech coordinators. The tech coordinator, along with the school administrator, will be responsible for setting up in an appropriate location to take quality photos. A district computer and the provided webcam will be set up, and this will allow staff to take and upload photos directly into Focus during registration or when a photo needs to be updated. When taking a student's photo, additional props, hats or head coverings, and glasses other than prescriptions are not allowed. Other considerations to take into account include shadows and lighting, the final size, background, pose, and the composition of the photo. You want to make sure that the photo is clear and in color, that it accurately depicts the skin tone, that the minimum size is 600 by 600 or 200 kilobytes, that your background is not cluttered and it's free of distraction, and it's preferred to also use a solid backdrop. You want to make sure that the student is directly facing the camera and that their head and upper torso are included. Think of a DMV photo. You want to ensure that the entire face, both eyes and hair, are clearly visible. Now that we've reviewed the recommendations and guidelines, let's look at how we'll do this when we're inside our Focus account. On your Focus portal page, you can use the Student Quick Search to search for a student that needs a photo updated. I'm going to enter my student's last name in and select their name from the list. Once that information loads, go to the Primary Info tab. On the Primary Info tab, you'll see the student photo. If I hover over it, I can see when the photo was last taken, as well as click the pencil to edit the photo. Taking a photo using a webcam, you're going to want to click Take Photo. The webcam is open, and this will allow me to go ahead and resize and make any changes I need to before uploading. This example does not follow our guidelines. The background's messy, the student has their headphones on, there's photos in the back, and that's just to name a few. To show you the rest of the process, I'm going to go ahead and upload. So as you can see, the photo is uploaded and all I have to do is click the X. When I do so, I can see that the photo has been updated for the student. A better example of a quality photo for uploading into Focus would be something like this. Uploading a photo within Focus is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So thanks for tuning in and see you next time.